Welcome back to Cars R Us, and I just wanted to show you that if you have the climate package in your 2023 Volvo, this is how you change the heat settings. You can turn on the heated steering wheel, you can have the heat on your seat, and you can also have a fan on your seat. Same thing for the passenger side. Of course, you can't have a heating steering wheel on the passenger side, but that is how you operate it. Thank you for watching. I did it on purpose. See if y'all still paying attention. But thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'll have more videos coming soon.